Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to factorization. So factorization, you have to remember the concept of LCM, where we are looking for the common factors, for example 2 and 4. So the common factors are values that enter into another number without leaving a remainder. So in algebra we have what we call factorization. So the factorization method is also applied when we are looking for LCM, because when you are looking for LCM, we always do 4, we always do 8. Okay? Then we say 2, it's 1, it's 2, it's 4. 2 again, 1, 1 here, 2, 2 again, 1, 1, 1. So you find out it will be 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. So the LCM of this number is 8. However, when you talk about factors, here we just want factors. These are factors. This is a factor. So factors, we are taking the factors and we come up with something called factorization. So factorization, for example, we are having an equation mn square minus 8nm square in algebra. So you are asked to factorize this. You look for the common factor, just like what we did on LCM. We look for the common factor to factorize. So here the common factor is n and m. You just rearrange as mn square minus 8mn. This one with a square. After rearranging them, then it is simple now. You factor out mn, you open bracket, then here it will be only n minus 8, of course, and a single m. Just like this. So this will be your answer. Let us try again. Another question. 7a minus 7y. Factorize this. If you have to factorize, the common factor as you look at it is nothing but 7 only. So your answer is a minus y. Let us do another example. Again, 3x plus 6y. Obviously, the common factor is 3. We get x plus 2y. Just like that. So this is what we do when we are factorizing. Factorizing, you are just looking into pairs and see how best you can factorize them. For example, you're having ax plus ay plus az. When you look into this, a is the common factor of everything. So it will be like this. Just like that. If you look maybe on pqr minus 3, let's say p and r. The common factor there, it is p and r. We remain with the q minus 3. Just like that. Next video, we're going to look into factorization of quadratic expression by inspection, splitting the middle term, and difference of two squares, including perfect square.